Okay, so this is the entrance. Okay, now it's zoomed up. So we just came from this entrance here, and now we are going to enter one of the villas. This is one of the houses which is for sale available, and second one is this house. Okay, both the houses have the same plan, which I'll be attaching you in the second video. Okay, so now we are entering the main house. The main door. There's a spacious hall, and there is one staircase going up in the 3 bedrooms on top. Its hall is really spacious. If you see, this is a 360 view of it. Okay, and the kitchen is attached to the hall, so you can actually virtually see what is going in the hall. The kitchen is really spacious with a attached back door for it. Okay, now this is the bedroom. There's one bedroom which doesn't have a bathroom attached to it, but there is a bathroom here which is really spacious bathroom. It's a big bathroom. So the hall, the kitchen and this bedroom can use the down bathroom. Okay, so there is a staircase on top. Now we are going on the staircases. There is a nice window here, on big window, where you can see the villas outside and all. So there is one staircase up. So now we'll be entering into 3 more bedrooms. Here there are 3 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, 2nd bedroom and this bedroom. All are normally like master bedrooms because they all have attached bathrooms to it. Very spacious one. Windows design is really cool. And here is the bathroom, which is really spacious. Then comes the second one, this bathroom. Indeed, this is also very spacious and all. Okay, this is slightly bigger than the other bedroom, and you can have a good villa look like from this main entrance, who is down there downstairs and all. You can. Okay, the bathrooms are placed really like in the corner, so you cannot see the bathrooms. The design is really cool. There's one acrylic this here, which gives a full daylight view here, and this one, and from the steps you can see down here. So now we are going to enter this bedroom. This has an attached bath. Yeah. The bathrooms are really spacious and well appointed, with all European amenities are placed. Okay, large windows, which all granite, this tabletop like they have designed it. Okay, and this is the third bedroom we are going to enter, which also has a bathroom here. So now we are again here. So when you come from the steps up, on your right side is 1 bedroom, on your left side are 2 bedrooms. Okay, this bedroom is I think so this is the master bedroom, because see, this is the little space is smaller. So this is 1 bedroom, space is smaller, and 1 more bedroom is there. This is a big one. I think so this can be made as this is like a master bedroom. Big one it is, with attached, and probably we'll see the another one when you stand next to it. Okay, when you entered on the left hand side, there's one. This is a big bedroom here. This is a big bedroom. Okay, this we have seen is a small one on the left hand side, and second left hand side we'll just have a look. Probably this is a medium size. Okay, so and all have attached bathrooms. So when you enter from the steps, on your right hand side, this is the master bedroom, which is spacious, big one. Bathrooms are similar, all 3 bedrooms have similar bathrooms. Okay, on your left there are 2 bedrooms, and on, if you stand like this, on your left hand side, this bedroom has a small, the room size is little small, this is small. Then on your right, this is medium size, and if you turn here in the master room, this is really large one, okay, with the acrylic on top. Okay, and now I'm going down. This is it on the top, no entrance exits are there. I don't know where the service area, how it is. Okay, so I'm going down now. This has a very stylish hall here. From here you get a, this is a 360 view room of the room, the kitchen. Okay, then how it looks when it is closed will be like this. When it is closed, it should look like this and this. So the design is perfect, like a holiday home, even if you want to convert it. And you get a view from the top. This is all the outside surrounding from the it's a compound, a full compounded house. Okay, I probably think the septic thing is individual septic tanks are there for this type of thing. So we are going out now. So just at the backside area. Okay, so this is for sale, which I'll be attaching the video second. This also is for sale, same, both the plans are the same. This is different. This is the entrance we came from here. So just taking you at a back view of it. So nice little garden and all this there. I think so there's an individual meter thing for the house. Yes, they have an individual soak pit, which we can see all the villa. From the outside it looks very really nice, cool. All the specifications I'll be taking from the builder and sending you. Okay, really cool. The height and all, no one can peep inside from the at the back one. And everywhere they have put this the interlocking blocks made of the pavement is really designed compact. It will be a gated complex. I don't know if it has security or not, but that's it. So I'll just get a quick view. If you are going out, the full big car can, SUV can take a round turn, and hardly there are totally, I think so, 1 2 3 4 around 8 9 bungalows are there, and all have 4 bedroom ones. Okay, they have nice sofa, this and all. Small garden also is there at the side. Okay, they are doing it. So this is all this is the surrounding villa, how the properties look. It's similar to Louisa, very nearer to 2 or 3 5-star hotels like Radisson Blu is just 200 meters away. Donna Silvia is there, and this. So, and that's the main gate from where it connects inside. From the, there's a small lane connecting the main highway which comes from there, and it just takes you out from there, and directly can enter from here. That's it. Okay, and view, see, perfect holiday destination. Thing it looks, how it looks, and nothing has been edited in this video. It's live 360 view of all the properties. It's perfect holiday thing. Okay, and so you will be dealing with Chodankar. He will be doing the things and all for you. He's the right person with the red thing. And this is the view. See, this is the villa. Okay.